Hi, in front of me is Huawei Honor 20i, and today I would like to show you how you can use Sound Recorder on this device. Firstly, find Folder Tools and tap on Recorder. Then tap on the red button to start your recording. Click Allow and tap again. As you can see, my recording is now on. If you want to pause it, click on the right button. If you want to end it and save it, click on the red one. As you can see, my recording was successfully made and saved. If you want to edit it or delete it, hold it and pick one of the options, for example, rename. Enter the name of your recording, and when you're done, click OK. If you want to delete it, hold it, choose the bin icon and tap on delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!